Getting unable to connect to server error on Zoom? Yeah, it can be super frustrating when you're ready to join a meeting, but Zoom just won't connect. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue in 2026. First, make sure your internet is working. Run a speed test and confirm you have a stable connection. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection. It's faster and more reliable than Wi-Fi. Restarting your router or modem can fix many connection issues. Turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on and try connecting to Zoom again. An outdated Zoom version can prevent server connections. Check for updates in Zoom and install the latest version. This often resolves the issue. Sometimes Zoom is blocked by your firewall or antivirus. Make sure Zoom is allowed through your firewall and temporarily disable antivirus to test if it's causing the problem. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with Zoom's server connection. Try disabling it temporarily and reconnecting to Zoom. If Zoom still won't connect, try using another device or a different network. This helps determine if the issue is with your device, network, or Zoom itself. Finally, restart your computer or device. This refreshes all network connections and can fix persistent server errors. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes the unable to connect to server error on Zoom. Try them in order, and you'll be in your meeting in seconds.